Hi guys, welcome to Everything Blockchain. Today's video is pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you how you can deposit funds into PoolTogether on Optimism. So PoolTogether is a price savings protocol where you can deposit USDC and stand a chance to win daily prizes through draws. The protocol has actually been live for over 3 years since 2019 and has distributed over $5 million in prizes to depositors. So it recently deployed on Optimism, and now I'm going to show you how you can deposit your funds into PoolTogether on Optimism. To be able to use the Optimism network, you will need ETH on Optimism. So if you have that, you're good to go. And you can fast forward the following part of the video. However, if you do not have ETH on Optimism, I'm going to show you how you can bridge ETH to Optimism from the mainnet. I will be bridging ETH and showing you how to bridge USDC from the mainnet using the across bridge. So let's get started. There are a number of bridges you can choose from, including the standard Optimism bridge. On this, you can actually transfer from the Ethereum mainnet or centralized exchanges like Binance, Qcoin, or even fiat on ramp. But like I said, I'm going to be using the across bridge. So let's go ahead, click on across. Connect our wallet. Going to choose MetaMask. Switch to Ethereum. Now from the mainnet, like I said, I'll be transferring ETH. An amount of 0.1 to Optimism. And click on send. Confirm the transaction. Similarly, you can transfer USDC from the mainnet to Optimism. I do not have the balance right now, but that's exactly what you need to do. Just click on send. Now that you have ETH and USDC on Optimism, let's go ahead and deposit USDC into PoolTogether to earn some OP tokens as well as participate in the daily prize draws. In case you're wondering, the prizes come from the interest that is accrued on all the funds that are deposited on PoolTogether. Let's log on to PoolTogether on Optimism and connect our wallet on Optimism. MetaMask. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that there's a variable APR of 10.93% and a chance to win OP rewards. So 100,000 OP rewards are provided over 28 days to all depositors on Optimism. Now let's go ahead and click on deposit. As you can see, I have a balance of 2287 USDC. I'm going to enter 2100. You can view the price pool network APR, the rewards variable APR, and the network fees. Let's review the deposit, confirm approval. Again, we just clicked on confirm on MetaMask. Confirm deposit. Click on confirm again. You can view the receipt. Now, as you can see, you have deposited 2100 USDC on PoolTogether on Optimism. And that's it, guys. We have successfully bridged funds to Optimism and deposited USDC on PoolTogether, earning guaranteed OP rewards on top of the chance of winning prizes from PoolTogether. Also, just a heads up, I'm dropping my Across referral link in case you want to use Across to bridge your funds. If there's anything else you want to know, you can reach out to me through the comments section. I'll be back with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye.